In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of things that help make me a little bit more efficient CAD operator. I always show these things to my students in class, so I wanted to give you online students the same luxury to know about these little tips that help make you a little bit faster, a little bit more efficient. The command window here at the bottom of the window is real important. This command window is always asking you what to do next or telling you what AutoCAD is looking for you to do. So I like to be sure that I can see more than the default number of lines here. Usually when you first install AutoCAD you can see one or two lines of text here. I like to see about 4 or 5 lines of text. So I'm going to take my mouse in between the border of the command window and the drawing editor, left click and drag that border upwards so that I can see 4 or 5 lines of command here. And that's going to help me understand what the settings are for certain tools and see what AutoCAD's wanting me to do next. So that's real helpful. Always focus a lot of attention into this command window as you're working in AutoCAD. The other thing I want to do is adjust some of the options, or one of the options that's with AutoCAD. So I can right mouse click inside this command window and select options. And that's going to bring up the options dialog box. There's two ways that you get into that options dialog box. Right mouse click in the command line window, or go to the A and select options. Either way, you access the dialog box for AutoCAD options. So in this dialog box we want to use the user preference tab, and I'm going to select the right click customization in the upper left corner. I want to turn on the time sensitive right click, and what this does is it sets my right mouse button to work two different ways depending on how I click it. If I click the right mouse button fast, real quick, then it's just like hitting the enter key on the keyboard. The enter key is used to advance certain AutoCAD commands, or if there's no command present, it will repeat the last command. So that's real helpful in times. The other option here is if I hold the right mouse button in for 250 milliseconds, then a context menu pops up, which the content of that menu will vary depending on what you have selected. So this is something that I like to set. So I'm going to pick apply, and that's really the only things that I change right out of the box. Most of the other default settings are really good with AutoCAD, but I do like to make those couple of little changes. So I'm going to pick OK to accept those changes, and now I'm ready to roll through the projects and exercises. I hope this will help you be a little bit more efficient, and if you have any questions you can give me a call or send me an email. Thanks.